Hi guys, Simple Techniques. So today I'm gonna be sharing a budget build, a good enough unit to play 1080p games at high or medium settings, and we'll quickly go over with the parts. So here we got the Intel Core i3-12100F. This is a 4-core 8-thread CPU with no integrated graphics, good enough for gaming, a bit so-so for productivity, but if you're just doing light productivity, then it shouldn't be an issue. Then we're going for a Thermalright Assassin X120 Refined SE CPU air cooler. This one, just make sure that you connect or use the right parts to install for the LGA 1700, because 12100F is using LGA 1700. For our NVMe drive, we are going to be using the Crucial P3 Plus 1 TB, enough to store your games, and the speed is also not bad, because our CPU is a PCIe 4 one. We'll have to also use a motherboard that can run at PCIe 4, which we have selected here, MSI Pro H10MG Wi-Fi. So this motherboard has one M.2 slot. The other M.2 slot is for the Wi-Fi, and this has PCIe card slot for video graphics, and it's also supporting the PCIe Gen 4. So this unit is using DDR4 and enough for gaming. Next one that we are going to take a look at is the Tecware Nexus Air M2 TG White. I'm selecting this case because this has 3 fans included, so you don't have to think about buying fans as additional. The color I've selected is white, but you can always choose what color you want. And then for our graphics card, we got the SFX Speedster RX 6600 XT. So this graphics card can handle 1080p games brilliantly. Also, because it's the lesser powerful unit, so you don't need a beefy power supply. But of course, we have catered for possible usage of other graphics card in future if you want to replace. So we are looking at the SilverStone technology ET650B. This is a bronze certified 650 watt power supply, and should be good enough for the parts that we have put together. And our RAM would be the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB kit with 3200 MHz CL16. So as you can see, all the prices as of August 2023 are very good. Of course, some you'll have to be a Prime member, so you could enjoy the discount, like the video card that we have here. But the others, it should be the same as a non-Prime member. The only difference probably would be the delivery. You won't be charged for delivery fees, if you remember. So this has totaled up to 919 Singapore dollars. So if you're going to convert this to USD, it's going to be 684. So it's about 920. So for $684, you'll be able to build a good 1080p gaming rig that will last you for a couple of years, probably 2 to 4 years if you're not planning to upgrade further, because you can also wait for the RTX 5000 series, if they still call it RTX, NVIDIA's 5000 series, and then the next generation of AMD GPUs. So if in case you still want to make some changes here, let's say you don't have the budget for graphics card for now, you can also remove this, and then we're going to replace the CPU with a 12100, the regular one. So if we do this, this will net you about $628, which is very cheap. This can help you go through with some light, very low resolution gaming, very low quality gaming also, but it can help you go by with some productivity stuff, like, you know, if you want to do assignments, research, this should be good enough. If you want to do simple Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, this should be good enough to carry you through until you got the money to buy the graphics card that you want. So if in case you want this for your rig, you can also consider, because it's just $628, very cheap. And then later on, if you can buy the graphics card, you can reconsider this, and you'll net about 953 Sing dollars. Okay, so I hope you find this budget build helpful. If anybody will be building this, you can share on the comments section whether how's the experience. But based on experience, some of the parts here I have used already, and there are no issues with the rig that I have put up. So like P3 Plus, this is a good one. It's just the terabytes written are quite low. I think it's about 400. And this TEAMGROUP Vulcan Z is also a very good RAM. For the price, you won't get wrong. And for Tecware, I'm using a Tecware case, and so far so good. It has been running smoothly for like 8 months now, and it's great because you don't need to budget for additional fan as of now, unless in future you would want. Then you got the time to, you know, keep or save the money and then buy later on. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.